We've got the strategy of growing our own team. Twofold reasons. Firstly, the quality and availability of personnel outside of the business is an issue. The second side for us, of course, is if we can bring young people through the business, then they haven't got preconceived ideas or bad practice. We have no demarcation between different operations. So between apprentices and directors, everybody gets the same level of opportunity to train and develop in their role.
I started out at Lander on the forklift trucks in the warehouse, just getting basic deliveries ready. I then progressed on to being a team leader. I've also done inventory management and I'm now doing package coordinator. So I've had team leader training, MVQ level 2. I'm currently doing my MVQ level 3 in supply chain management.
I first started, I did my 8 weeks technical training in the classroom as an apprentice, and then I worked on the shop floor for around 8 months working on the manufacturing line on a welding machine, and then in September of 2017 I got moved into the office to work with the maintenance team.
I first started off in the prototype department where I learned all my manufacturing methods and processes of the business, and now I work as an applications engineer where I'm a lot more customer facing. I've recently taken my APM qualification in project management, and that's helped me grow from an engineering background more into a project environment and project lifestyle.
When I first started at Lander, I was on a business level 2. I've now started a supply chain management level 3 course, which is due to finish next year.
There's a couple of things that makes the Lander Apprentice Scheme so successful. Firstly is the cadence and timing of the intake of apprentices. So broken down into manageable chunks, 15 to 18 apprentices every 8 weeks. It breaks down what could be a large operational challenge into manageable chunks. And the 8 weeks that the apprentices spend in their training academy in that period gives them a really good preparation for life in our factory. They're exposed to simulated work experience, lean toolkits, health and safety awareness, and most importantly, some behavioural conditioning. And secondly, I think the most important thing for us is the fact that culturally in the business, the process has been universally supported throughout the organisation. So from our employees, managers, directors, shareholders, everybody's brought into this process. The apprenticeship programme schemes had a big impact on the team. Most importantly, probably the fact that we've had to adopt a much more coaching leadership style. Managing millennials has actually been a new thing for us and actually been quite a steep learning curve. The other thing it's actually generated in the business is an immense amount of pride in terms of everybody that's involved in the apprenticeship scheme. Everyone's incredibly proud to be involved in their development. And from my own personal point of view, it's probably one of the most rewarding things I've ever been involved in.
We decided to enter the awards again because we've done a lot of further development, not only with the apprenticeship programme, but also with our management development, including the Lander Manager DNA. We've also progressed through with lots of other developments, such as team leader training, management training, high performance working continues, but also we're doing a lot of Institute of Supply Chain Management training with our logistics team. So our journey is continuing and we wanted to shout out about that. Strongly believe in succession planning. So rather than recruit externally, we've recruited internally and covered at least 9 positions, but in total, I've covered 19 roles within the business through recruiting internally only, which has saved the business around £40,000 on recruitment, which we've invested in training and development. Manufacturing isn't just about making things, we're actually developing people and making better people and building our engineers of the future.